Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the documents you need for your year-end tax settlement or 연말정산 from the government tax website, HOMETAX. This video was recorded in January 2026, but if you're watching in the future, it should be very similar. Let's get started. First, go to www.hometax.go.kr. Before you do anything else, you need to log in. From the home page, on the right side of the screen, you will see a box that says 로그인. Select 간편인증. If you see this landing page instead of the home page, go to the first box on the left, which says 연말정산 간소화 and click 바로 가기. Then enter your full name in all caps, family name first, and your ID number. Check the two consent boxes and click 간편인증. Next, you need to verify your identity. Here, you're given a number of different verification options. You can verify through Kakao, Naver, most major banks, or apps like Pass or Samsung Pass. As an example, I'm going to use Pass, but they all work in basically the same way. After selecting a verification method, enter your full name, date of birth, and phone number. You need to enter your name exactly as it is written on your residence card, in all caps with your family name first. Click 전체 동의 to accept the terms and conditions. Then click the blue button that reads 인증 요청. Now you need to switch over to your phone and complete the verification process using whichever app you selected. This will vary depending on which app you are using, but check your phone and follow the steps on whichever app you choose. It might involve getting a security code texted to your phone or either one being sent to your bank account with a code in the transfer description, or both. Have your bank account number ready and access to your online banking. When that's finished, click the blue button that says 인증 완료. Don't click before you have finished verifying your ID on your phone, or you will get an error message. If you've logged in successfully, you will find yourself on the HOMETAX main page, which looks like this. Now it's time to download the documents for your year-end tax settlement. If you logged in from the landing page, you will already be on the right page. But from the home page, find where it says 연말정산 간소화 and click 바로 가기. Next, scroll down and check the box that says 위 내용에 동의하고 간소화 자료를 열람하겠습니다. This means that you have read and agreed to what is written above. Here is a translation of what it says. After clicking the box to agree, click the blue button that says 연말정산 간소화 시작하기. You will see a number of categories: health and employment insurance, pension, medical expenses, education expenses, credit card spending, debit card spending, cash spending, etc. Helpfully, if you hover your cursor over each section, an English translation will appear. Next is the most important part. Click the button with a magnifying glass that says 도외하기 on every category. Your tax deductions will be based on the amount that appears. Again, if you want to learn more about how these deductions work, visit www.nts.go.kr. Some of the categories will say 영원. Don't worry about that. Some of them won't apply to you. Just make sure you click on every category. If the cash receipt, 현금 영수증 section is empty, it may be because you haven't linked cash receipts to your phone number yet. I have a video about how to do this coming very soon. Cash receipts are really important because they allow you to claim a percentage of cash, coupon, and gift card payments as a tax deduction, just like credit and debit card spending. There are some things that won't appear here automatically. For example, if you make monthly rent payments, called 월세 in Korean, there is a deduction you can claim. To do this, you will need to submit the following documents. Number 1, a copy of your housing contract, which must be in your name. Number 2, a copy of your certificate of foreign registration, 외국인 등록 사실 증명서, which you can download from gov.kr. Number 3, details of your monthly rent bank transfers, 월세 이체 내역, or 송금 확인증. You can get these from your bank, either in person or online. Make sure that the transfer is from your personal bank account and goes to the person named as your landlord in the housing contract. Submit these documents to your employer along with the documents that you are going to download from HOMETAX. You can also apply to the tax office later for a correction. After you have clicked on every category, it's time to download the documents you need for your tax settlement. You can do this at the top of the page. Before downloading, you have the option to choose whether or not to display your full ID number or just the first half with the second hidden. Ask your employer or accountant if you're not sure which one you need. You also have the option to protect your PDF file with a password. To download your PDF, click the blue 내려받기 button. Check that all the categories you want to include are checked and click PDF로 내려받기 to download. To just print, click 인쇄하기. And that's it. Your tax return document is ready to submit to your employer. Good luck, and I hope you get a lot of money back this year. If you're learning Korean, don't forget to check out my podcast. See you soon!